This is Last Garden Standing, and I want to bring you some more about the honeybee. 90% of our honeybees are disappearing, so that tells me we really need to plant the flowers that are good pollinators. One of those that I have in my yard is my lavender. As you can see, it's huge. It's just huge. Here is some bees that are already on it, I believe. There's one. Yeah, he's already hard at work, but there's one. They're actually all over. Look at them all. Step back and see them flying around. They love those. First I gave them my salvia plants. My catmint were first. One of the first plants, but now my lavenders are coming in bloom, and boy, do they like this one. For good reason, it's huge. There's a queen, there's a worker bee, and there's drones. So they all play a part in making honey and pollinating our flowers and fruits. I've got some good tomatoes there too, and that is probably because of this lavender here with all the honeybees on it. In the middle of the day, there's much more than this. There is good 20, 25 of them, I'd say. That's what it looks like anyway. And so I just wanted to bring you a shorter clip. I am going to be making a larger video about the honeybee in the future. So there's my lavender, which is the #1 plant for the honeybee. This is Last Garden Standing. Share, like, and stay tuned. Subscribe, because I'm going to make a video that's much larger, explaining what the queen does, the worker bee, and the drone, and a little bit more about different kinds of plants that they like besides just the lavender. So stay tuned.